So guys, guys, guys. So let me just give a recap for this. This was the market was going up, and then it did a displacement. This one. So short-term high taken, shift market structure, fair value gap. I got in here, stop loss placed here at first place. I placed my stop loss here. My stop loss placed here at first place above this candle. Now I'm expecting, then I retraced it to here, this point. When you come to 1 minute, I don't expect market to come to take this swing higher again after taking this short-term low. So here I expect market to start going down immediately. And if you check in one hour time frame, you can see this was short-term high taken, shift market structure, inefficiency, market coming to retrace again here, even if kama ungekuwa umeingilia hapo placing your stop loss here, you are still okay. The market is going to attack these liquidities that are down here. That's the target. So let me go to 1 minute. I want market to come attack this. Like the moment it itachukua hii low, I'll place my stop loss at break even. That's what I'm expecting. We have already attacked the buy side liquidity. This is a breaker. Low, high. Let me just check in 3 minutes. High, low, high, high. Down close candle. You take this down close candle. Those down close candle. Just see how market behaved in that. It played with the discount part of it. You have displaced lower. Market touched the low of that breaker. Continue driving market lower. So I'm watching. Let nitoe ya breaker ndio nimeatis cha zangu zikae poa. So at the moment I'm watching, remember this green rectangle is for 1 hour fair value gap. So at the moment naangalia hii fair value gap. Just want to see market how it's going to behave there. Because I want this swing low to be taken. Market drift chini. I've placed my take profit there. Just in the volume balance. When nimesema the moment market achukua hii low, I'll take my stop loss just to the break even. I think ishachukua hadi kitu kama hiyo. This is a liquidity, those loss easy zinakujiwa saa hii. So those are my targets. Sasa liquidity. That's my today's target. And my PDR at the moment that I'm watching is this favor gap. I don't expect market to come back here. The moment the market tarudi huku juu, I think I'll close my trade immediately. Because I'm not expecting anything like retracement, deep retracement here. Market should displace lower na iendelee kwenda chini. So the markets may be coming back for this volume imbalance. Even by that, so I place my stop loss there, because it doesn't have to come back to the above this week, because this week, this candle week isha kuja, so it doesn't mean that inafaa ikuje, inafaa ibaki uko chini. I don't expect market to come back there. The only five markets should come to is this volume imbalance that is here. Should not come past this candle, this green candle. Yeah. This one was a 22 model. Market came, retraced back, was within there. This is another block, stop loss placing here. Market haven't even come there. Nishaanza kurudi chini. Targets are this sasa liquid that are here, of which iko the same, with the same bias with the EURUSD, so I'm still okay. We need to check DXY. DXY, yeah, bado iko sawa. Short term low taken, shift market structure, market coming here, jack that one. Target being this better liquidity that are above here. I'm not expecting market to come above here. Should continue displace lower. Na ikifungia below, the moment it will close below this favorable gap, like this way, and I expect now to rally down, because you have played already the discount part of it. That's if market's bearish. This is a balanced price range. That's why market just came until here, because this have favored buy side delivery, sell side delivery within the same range, a balanced area. So I don't expect market to come back here. This week, market fell to get to the consequent encroachment. So by that, this means to require bearish. Immediately it left, coming to attack this loss. It failed here, retracing back to this level gap, of which I want it to fail, getting the premium part of it. This time distortion within that discount part of this fair value gap. That's a good one. That's a good one. So I expect market maybe to come back there and then go down again. Iende chini, like it rejects kwenda juu. These are price. I hate when market consolidating this way, like sasa price inachezea within the same range here. That's what we call time distortion. Hey, closed above the Costco encroachment, something that I don't like to see. I just want to watch this volume imbalance. So market ishakuja above the top of this fair gap. I don't think it's to the tick. The high of this one is high yake ni 15.837, low ni to the tick 15.837, same. So that's to the tick. Just touch the conclusion of that favor gap, and that's what I hate, because this means that market is going up. So I want to use this conclusion to go up. I want to see how market is going to behave on this volume balance. That's the most allowance that I'm giving it. Should not close up past this volume balance. Just touch, maybe get some 1 or 2 handles past it, and then close below. That one will be a plus. My risk is negative 1.6. That's a very small risk. Market enda kufungia above that. So in expected candle, so ikuze kwa test volume imbalance. We get done with it. I place my stop loss as break even. Because even if it's the spread, it should not come past here. Market have failed to get to this volume balance, which is okay. Still within my what I expect. Ikirudia ni poa, isiporudia tuende chini, still good. So I like a quick displacement to this extra liquidity. Played with the discount, went to the premium, back to the discount. So at the moment nataka hii market iteremke. Though I've already secured myself. I'm just downloading some stuff up, guys. Okay, I'm done with journaling. Can just check this fair gap now. How market just went to the discount, came back to the premium, returned down to the discount. Now it would be good if the market now just NQCUSD hizi chini, hizi vitu za chini tusikae hapa for long. All what market's doing is time distortion, to be honest. That's a good one. Nilikuwa nimeshikilia market isifunge above, retrace juu. That's a good one. Now closing below this one. These are quick moves that are going to happen here to target this liquidity. That's what I expect. But sometimes market can disappoint you. Not disappoint really, but not just give what you expect. So for the fact market is going to close below this one, I'll place my stop loss above here, because this is the high that went here. So ikishachukua hii na maisha ifai kurudi hapa. The moment that close hapo, I'm putting my stop loss here, just on the volume imbalance. That way. Remember, today is for MC day. You have for MC around 2 p.m. Eastern time. I don't expect market to come and trace these fair gaps that are here. Should be going to attack the liquidity. Even coming back to this fair gap should not be happening. So I'm okay with my stop loss. And this one should be treated as a breakaway gap. This one, a breakaway gap here. So at the moment, I'm watching this fair value gap. So at the moment, I'm watching this fair value gap, I mean. That's a good one. Hata ijafunga. Oh, yeah, that's a good one. Now closing below that 5 gap. This one should not be touched. Breakaway gap. The matter of fact, since the market have played here that several times, even market coming here, it's crime. It's a crime market kuje huku. I would love just simple candle, like less than 5 candles to come and attack this liquidity. Haraka. To avoid wasting time. I want to close this $27 and I'll lose that $27 during FMC. You know FMC is gambling. So nikipata $27 ni gamble nazo jioni. That should be a good one. If you check 1 hour, this is not a trade. There's a good trade later today. Market afaa kuchukua hizi zote huku chini because these are a good model. This is a good model, and expect market to come and take this low, making a new setup again. Tuendelee kwenda chini, but I'll be satisfied with this one. Whatever I got, I'll get now. That's a good one. Play within this favor gap. Came here. First of all, Basal liquidity was taken. Short term high. Swing low was taken. Shift market structure. It tested this favor gap entry position. I got short there. It took contracts. Market have executed my profit now. Take profit order executed. at this one, at this level. Yes, I'm doing the first quick recap of my today's trade. Shift market structure, retracement to this 5-hour gap, entry position. I got short here. Market coming to this 5-hour gap, playing a discount part of it, coming back to the breaker, failing to hit the volume balance high and low. I think it patted the low of that 5-hour gap. No, it failed that volume balance. Coming to the discount, displacing lower, breakaway gap. This one is a second distribution. Market displacing lower, hitting my take profit there. That's my trade for today. Just to play within this range, because this low have been displaced by the body now. This low have been displaced with the body of this candle of I'm waiting for this short-term low to be taken first now, and then we go and attack necessary liquidity. Necessary liquidity to be taken. These are combined $50. These are clean setup. Of which sometimes you have to have a bias first before you get a model. If you get a bias, everything will be okay. So when the first target will be hit, so I expect market now to take this short-term low at the moment, and then we see if we're going to take this necessary liquidity. So guys, you have seen I already taken my profit here. That one is, imagine after the market taking this, my target, hitting my target and taking this as a liquidity there, I've retraced back. I think it's 5-minute time frame. You can see this as this volume imbalance here. That's maybe the second distribution in 5-minute chart, where you can get an 8 position here to continue going short. Yeah, that's a handy position. But for me for now, I'm enough satisfied with that. So I should avoid over trading. Market came back to this volume balance, retracing down. So with that, guys, you can see these volume balances have been retested there. I don't know if the market have failed to get there again. Yeah, it have failed to get that volume balance, and that's so very tricky for me, because for the fact that ijafika hapo, that means that it can come even ikishafika huku chini. It can just come to test with one candle and then come back. And someone who have retraced his or her stop loss, itachukuliwa immediately, or you'll be afraid like your market is reversing on you. So just come immediately. I'm satisfied with that. Bodies playing within the low of this fair value gap, cost encroachment and below. That's a good one, a good sign that we are still bearish. I'm satisfied for today, guys. Let me call a day. I'll meet you later today at around, let me use Kenyan time, around 9:30 Kenyan time, and then that's 1:30 around, that's 1:30 Eastern, New York time Eastern, New York time Eastern time, I mean New York time zone. Where to turn that time, 1:30 Eastern time, New York time zone.